it will save me a lot of time because right now I have so many projects that I need to finish.
Like that, but don't worry.
Yeah, so hi Doyle. Is that Doyle? Oh, not yet. So it says here, where's my thing? Oops, so that's statistics, silly me. Yeah, I have a PowerPoint presentation to do with statistics and also
I love statistics. I love that class.
So which one is it? B211. So if you go, and I asked Brother Paul Freeman, are we using the, because I look at the exam. Hold on, let's see, is that, no, this one. I look at the exam and then honor pledge. So I think this is the quiz now. Wrong. If you go all the way down here, oops, my stubborn mule computer won't cooperate with me. So all the way and click on the exam. Personal project application. I think this is the one. No, that's a submission. Silly me. I printed out the instruction too and say the thing. What week is that? Week 14. Oh, conclusion. Personal application project. I can't remember, where did I click on that one? But you need to use that. So I'm glad that I asked Brother before where did I click on that one? Hold on just a sec. I'm thinking it might be. I know I saw it and it just like, oh, do we need to use that thing? And he said yes. Reminder, exam 5 reminder. Hopefully it's in here. No, not that one. Exam 5 instruction. Oh, there it is. So see, to work to work on the exam, this attach examples. So you have to use that spreadsheet. So under lesson 14 exam, yeah. So under here, reminder, the exam instruction, and then you download that thing. So use that.
Just that workbook that they have.
Yeah, so I download that already here. And I use, thank goodness I talked to my niece and she said, I need your help because it's driving me crazy to do these things. So this is the exam thing. I already added that one, and so I copied this from my niece. I copied that, which is easier for with Excel because she can just go onto the main this one. She just emailed me the inventory thing.
Yeah, that'd be so good.
So I click on this format. Yeah, move, and then I selected where I wanted to go and create a copy. So it copied it to the exam file. So I don't know, just like, oh, that's a pain in the, you know what, to transfer all that documents. And so I just,
because you were saying right before, like a couple of weeks, you're like, I have to like input all this data. You were saying that, and I was like, oh, that sounds like so much.
Yes, and thank goodness it's not that anymore. My niece said, "Can you help me? Can you just do mine instead of Uncle Chris's student thing?" I said, "Yeah, I can do Uncle Chris's later on after my class." So I was able to transfer until December, and then I'm gonna do macro to do to add another sheet. So for January, so that's what I'm gonna do for her. So.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. Okay.
Yeah. So, anyways, that's my thing for the exam. And so this one.
Go ahead. What is that? The Oh, mini project now? Okay, yeah.
Uh-huh. So, but you were doing kind of similar thing about inventory thing. So,
Yeah, yeah, we're doing similar stuff inventory, except for me, it's supplies inventory at my job.
uh-huh.
So the only thing that's gonna be a pain is I have to, and I started doing it with other items
Mm-hmm.
for our vendors. I have the item number, but there's some items that I'm missing the item number,
Uh-huh.
so I have to go through Staples and Home Depot and find the
Uh,
item number on a lot of those. So
uh-huh.
that's gonna be kind of a pain, but it's fine. I'm sure I can.
Yeah. And so I'm just finishing because the only thing that I need to finish with my accounting class is to record narration on my presentation. My
Oh,
flagship
okay.
presentation with my partner from Belize.
Oh,
And and so after that, then I can concentrate and work on this project, the final exam, and yeah. So, anyways, so this is what I did. So they said
okay.
that you have to start from. So I format this one first, and also this before I plotted this here. Um, so as you can see, if I click on this,
Mhm.
it goes like that, and then I'll go back here. It goes like that. So you have to start from here or here, then record your macro, and then do your layout. So what I did on this one is index in this on this too. But when I try to do the index on here, it gives me like a error, a green icon on the bottom in the corner. So I just did the equals input because it's no matter what you do, if they change this information here, it's gonna be transferred here anyway. So so I didn't use a complete formula on this one. I just did this.
Okay.
So and if you go to developer tab, if you can see, they want you to, oh, when you record your first macro for this, the first one, this one, and then you hit save, and then it will save without you leaving this. Because if you hit save the other way, this way, it will take you out. It will close this whole thing, and then when you go to this, it will have two modules here. So, and they want you to have just one. So, and then every after recording I did, I hit save after that. So, and then I did the recording for macro recording for deleting the because when you go here, you have to delete this in order for you to go back. When you click in here, see it deletes the whatever's in there. So you have to record that delete file. You have to record that, and so I recorded that, and then put it on top of my first recording. Change. I actually no, I did not. What I did is I copy one of the recording here where I delete this one. So I just copy this, and then paste it on top, and change the range of from C4 to K4. Because if you click on here, that is C4 to K4 and all the way down. That's the whole thing because you highlight it and all the way down. That's what you're deleting. So I just copy one of the thing and then change the um, the cell number. So
Mhm.
maybe I can show you how in one of my sample here. So I have to close this, sorry, because it will not do any changes anyway. I have one here, the original file that says not to submit. Because once you save the macro,
Uh-huh.
once you save the macro, I'll show you what I did. So item report. And so I go to the next page and then I'll copy. This is what they want. So I want here. And then next one is this one. Oh, that's, if that happens, try to redo it, but I'm just showing it to you. Oh, see, that boo-boo me. Now when I do the because it's recording my boo-boo. No, actually it's this one, the inventory. And all the way here, I think that's what it is. Come on. Oh no, this is the first, hold on, let me not save that. Um, the first one is just the item thing. Sorry, my bad. I'll just do this quick. So you go there and then you go here. I forgot this is the first thing to do. I'll do the 7 because I know that's, and then I'll do equals index. Row number 2, column 1. So then I'll do 36 of this. So, oops. So you just have to really careful when you scroll down. So I know that's the paper towel is the last one because I checked it before I did it.
Oh.
And so I did this and then go here, make sure, scroll up. And so it's quicker if you just do that.
I see.
And then adjust this, adjust this. Actually, and then center. Um, so, and now you merge this one. Item, oops, report. And this one would be dark blue with this. Second one. And make sure that this is all the way up. I did mine several times because it was in the middle.
Oh.
I just like when I went back, I just like, oh, the partial part is colored and the other one is not. So I just went and edited by going to the now it's done. This particular thing is done. You can make it bigger too, this one, if you'd like to. So that's done. So I stop recording and then I'll go here and then developer, insert this, and then copy, paste, paste. So this is the third one. So I will not rearrange that right now. And then I can assign the macro there. And so now I'll save it so it does not, I don't lose it. This PC. And then make sure you do
So when you
this.
save it, you don't save as, or you
No, you just clicked it. See, it says save as, but you go click on this PC. I'll have to mark it number 2, and then you change it, enable the macro.
Enabled. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then save, and see it didn't close, because if you did the save as, it will close the whole sheet. And so by the fact that I didn't close that sheet, this didn't close, I can record another macro. Let's see, inventory. I'll just want to show you. Then go here and then clear.
Oh yeah, the clear. I don't have that in my Excel workbook. That clear button, that
Uh-huh.
eraser. I don't have it.
Oh, you know what I missed on the other one? I forgot to put um the bar. So, but anyways, I'll show you what I forgot. So you do this one. And then you do this one. Somebody sent me a message, but I can't check on it right now. And so you highlight, you click on this one and then view, then pre. That's what I forgot earlier. And then same thing, birdie. Oh, what in the world? And then go all the way down.
Oh, no, Marie.
Oh. But anyway, you kind of get what I need to. There we go. And why that is in there. Hold on just a sec. It's screwing my thing. But let me just stop it. Hold on. Who's sending a message? Oh, okay. You're talking with
Doyle.
with Doyle. Okay. Yeah. So,
Hi, Doyle.
Hey,
hi.
sorry, I didn't know you guys were already meeting. I was like, are they gonna send a thing? I didn't.
It's up there.
Yeah, I just didn't realize that you guys were already in it.
So I was just showing. Okay. I will not save this one. Okay. So I'll open it again. This one, because I save it the way I saved it earlier. Because if you go to the developer, sorry, so I only have one recording at the moment there. See this one? But I think since I closed it, it might record to another, So I was just explaining to her what I did. I'm running a mock-up here.
Okay.
So then you go, make sure you delete this one. Clear all. And then make sure you have the correct background still there. And this one is the next one. I use the index. Been using index since I've learned that.
I still don't. What does index do again?
Huh?
What does index do?
It pulls up the exact thing.
Oh, okay.
the exact thing you want in a shorter way than doing VLOOKUP.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I did this side. Equals, because it didn't ask for formula, so if I have to do formula, I can do it, but easier way. It's programmed anyway, so it memorized the whole thing.
Oh.
I got the wrong. Hold on, I got the wrong one. Sorry.
It's okay.
But I can go and two more. So center. I think that's it. Merge this one, and you merge that one, because this one is for the inventory place location.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And the other ones are the you can make this bigger if you'd like to, which is in the example, they're all bigger. And then I like the header bold, and then pane. There you go. And color, the last thing to do is to color it. So I'll do that. So I don't have to. Okay, and that is done. So I'll stop you have to stop the macro recording while you're in here. Don't go out of it. So now it's stopped, then you can go and assign this one. Wrong. Assign a macro. Let me see, since I closed it, I think it might have created another module. Yeah. See, it did create a module, but
you can copy and paste it, right?
Yes, yes. And so what I'm going to do is, since I clear, where's my module 2? So this one, clear section. I'll copy this and put this on top of this one right here. Oop. Right here. So now, and then I can transfer this to the rest of this. Oh, you know what? I'll create this the third macro. If you create the third macro without closing it, it will put it in the bottom, so you can transfer them all the way in there too. So now I will do is edit this clear. So I have on the C, hold on, the output. So if I do the next one, you know what? Let me do the next one before I edit that one. The third one quickly. So I can show you how to do that. Supplier. Okay. Go to input. Clear all. Make sure I highlight that one. And so C. We still need this. And then there you go. Took me a while to master, to kind of get through this without making took me until 2 o'clock in the morning to fail. So since I start on 7, that will go all the way to 37, and should do that. You know what? I forgot to insert one more. Sorry, I have to insert one thing I forgot, which you can edit anyway later on, leave time. But make sure you do this before you don't do what I did. So I have to do the other thing because this is all the way in this end. Because if I do it the other way I did it, then it will be the wrong number. There you go. Center. And then you adjust this because you don't need too big of a gap there. So all that, you can adjust that if you'd like to. Merge, and that will be named. Supply capacity. Merge supplier report. I'm OCD. I like to do this darker when it comes to the header and stuff, title. So color this quickly and we should be done soon. Oh, come on. You shouldn't do that to me. Sorry. Now it screwed my recording.
Oh no.
See, it should go that way and that. This. And so it's almost done. So click on that and stop. Then I'll go here, assign this, assign a macro supplier. Okay. So now I gotta go back here and do my editing. Visual. I'll go with this and C4 to K4. So C4, K4. So now I will copy. Doyle, I showed Arlie to save it without exiting the whole worksheet, because if you exit, then that's what happened. It creates the second module. And is he still there? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm here.
Yeah. So now I think I've pasted it, right? I did.
Mhm.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is delete that one, ignore it, name
See,
this report.
I got annoyed with having to go back and forth, and I kept screwing it up. So I'm actually doing the assignment on my laptop, and I have the instructions pulled up on my desktop.
Yeah. So now, since I edit that, see, it clears the last one. So if I go to, come on. Uh-oh, what did I do? Did I mess up something?
Let's see.
Oh, you know what? I copied the wrong one. Hold on. I copied the wrong one. I should have cleared. This is the first one. So I think I did the other one. The last one. Where is it? The second half section. There, end with, there should be a line. There. This is what I need to copy. And then go back to my output here. Whoa, it didn't. Oh, it messed it up. See, when I did the messed up thing. But anyways, as long as you follow carefully the instruction, that should not be a problem. Because I think I adjusted my CM to, let's delete this one. What's this? Undo R4. I'll do that. Oh, you know what? I didn't refresh the thing. That's one thing too. See. You have to refresh the, there you go. But this one moved over there somehow. But anyways, it delete the rest of the thing. Whatever, how far you wanted to delete the other stuff, it deletes it. So. And it expanded it. What happened? Yep, I messed up my recording, but anyways, that's how you edit it, and I did mine. My final one was this one.
Do either of you guys know how to make the buttons just look better?
Yeah, you can. Okay, let me do mine. Hold on.
Here, one sec. I'll hurry and pull mine up on this computer so I can
Okay.
share my screen.
Oh, you can put some fill around.
Okay, how do I share my screen? There we go.
Oh, you know the no fill. You can do.
Can you guys see mine?
Yes.
Because I have this, and it does it when I click the button. It'll do like a report, or if I do. I actually want to redo the first button because this report looks sort of dumb. But this one, I think it looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, I think looks nice. But
It takes a while to redo those things, but when you get used to doing it, practicing it, it's quicker.
well, like I said, I when I sent that message saying that I was just starting, I was just taking the assignment or the mini project access quiz.
Oh, wow,
I
you're
was like,
quick.
I was
So,
You
like the
did all
macros.
that? Oh my gosh.
I was like the
Wow.
macros are going pretty fast. It's just I don't know these buttons. I think the buttons look stupid, and I before was when it was for the other stuff, I was just going in and picking like a shape or an icon
Uh-huh.
or importing my own image to use as a button
Uh-huh.
because I hate the
Oh,
default ones. But for the project, it says he wants us to have these buttons.
Uh-huh.
So
um, there's a way to make them nice. How was it? It's in the controls, the one after.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one where you can do the
Developer
insert.
tab.
Yeah, you could do the insert tab, or and it looks nice for the buttons. How was it? How did it? How did he do that? Forgot.
No, actually that's the one when inserting he insert not that button but a different picture and he was
see,
able to edit.
and that's what I've been doing, but I just don't know if that's okay for this project. Like if we'll lose points because it says to have 3 options buttons.
Yeah.
Um,
I think it's the option button, this the particular option button, not another button. But you
Okay.
know what? You can do I'm working on it just quickly. Um color probably more color. I'm working on it, just a quick one, okay? Um I like green, so let's see. And no, you have effect on the. Oh, mine is good. Let me share my screen quickly.
Okay.
Uh, oh, where is it? There. So if you go, let me just close this one. See this one? Format. So more fill effect. You can select. You can and see.
Okay.
So I actually just learned that today, just right now.
Can you change the font in that?
Let's see.
I think you could maybe doing that. See.
Yeah, I wanted to change the font because it looks funny.
That's what I was. That's the thing that annoys me most is the font, how it looks.
Uh-huh. It's just see the font. Let's figure out how to change that. Let's move that down. Let's click and see. Because it's just driving me nuts because it's too small.
Yeah.
Height scale. This is the thing, not properties. Alt text control. No, you can't change the font number.
That's so
That's
crazy.
lame.
I know. It's then select effect, corner, center, diagonal. I think I like that one. So I want to see no, I clicked the wrong thing. Hold on. Trying to see if I can. Yeah, you can't change the text. You can change the text, but you cannot. Let's see. See, it's all blocked out.
Yeah.
So, unfortunately, uh, you can edit text, but you cannot make it bigger. Let's see if I highlight it. Oh, come on. Control. Nope. No, it didn't. You can't. There's no way you can change the size font.
Okay.
So at least we figure out what's the other one. How to do it like this. you go. Yeah, I want it bigger because it's too small.
Yeah, I guess I'll just call it done then, because
Uh-huh.
I just changed my fonts to those, or the background to the cool effect. But yeah, I
Uh-huh.
wanted it to be a bigger font and maybe bold.
Uh-huh.
But if I can't do it, I just redid the one chart, so now they'll all look the same when you click on my
Mm-hmm.
make a report button. So I guess I'll just call that done because it looks decent.
Yeah. So well, Arlie, you have still time to work on it, and I'll post the link for our meeting right now. So
Okay.
Awesome.
Sounds good.
yeah. Well, you guys have a good night, and I think we have one more meeting for our mini project 20, or is there
Yeah,
one?
I think so. Yeah, I think there's one more
Yeah.
project, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and then and that's it. We're just working on finishing our what do you call it? Our final exam. So
Oh, okay.